Good day everyone, I am Abdul Muzawir Gayak and I will now present my concept paper. It is titled Community-Based Organic Vegetables Garden for Food Security. So let us now start with the introduction. So food security is growing concern, especially in urban and low-income communities where access to fresh and healthy produce is limited. So rising food prices and environmental degradation further threaten food availability. So this project proposes the establishment of community-based organic vegetable garden to promote sustainable food production, reduce household expenses, and encourage healthier lifestyle. So this is the rationale or the background. So many communities rely on expensive store-bought vegetables, often treated with harmful chemicals. This project aims to address food insecurity by providing a local, affordable, and organic food source. So community gardens have proven to enhance food access, promote environmental awareness, and foster collaboration among residents. So the project description is this project will involve the development of 500 square meter community garden where residents can grow vegetables such as tomatoes, lettuce, eggplants, and pepper. So the garden will use organic farming techniques, including composting and natural pest control. The produce will be distributed among participants or sold at low cost to sustain the project. So the objective of this concept paper is to establish a sustainable organic vegetable garden within the community. Next is to educate community members on organic farming techniques. Next is to improve food security and reduce reliance on store-bought vegetables, to promote community engagement and teamwork, and lastly, to generate income opportunities for the community. So next is our methodology. So the first one will be site preparation. It is clearing, soil testing, and installing garden beds. So the second is training and workshops. It is conducting organic farming and composting sessions. So next is planting and cultivation. So this is selecting crops suited for local climate and soil conditions. So next is harvest and distribution. So it is sharing produce among participants and selling surplus. So lastly, sustainability measures. So this is implementing water conservation, composting, and crop rotation techniques. So the next one will be anticipated outcome. So the anticipated outcomes will be increased availability of fresh vegetables, reducing food expenses. So next is stronger community engagement through shared responsibilities. Lastly, sustainable urban farming practices leading to environmental benefits. So how will be how the outcome will be evaluated? So the first one will be surveys and interviews. It is gathering feedbacks from participants on benefits and challenges. Next is crop yield reports. So measuring the amounts of vegetables produced per season. Next is community participation rate, tracking the numbers of active participants. Next, financial sustainability, which is monitoring income from selling surplus produce. So next is our conclusion. So the conclusion is the community-based organic vegetable garden is a practical and sustainable solution to food security. By implementing this project, the community will gain access to fresh vegetables, reduce expenses, and promote environmental sustainability. With proper management and community involvement, the project has the potential to become self-sustaining and expandable in the future. So now let us start with the introduction of myself using the strategies of paragraph writing um, using the contrast and cause and effect. So I am Abdul Muzawir Gayak, a 17 years old resident of RH10 Malagapas, Cotabato City. I am currently a grade 12 student at CSU ULS, and I have been a valuable athlete since 11th grade. So, however, despite being an athlete, I am not as skilled as some of my teammates. The same applies to my academics. I struggle with recitations and public speaking, which often makes me feel less confident compared to the others who excel effortlessly. So, because of these struggles, I tend to rely on cramming to complete my schoolworks instead of preparing in advance. I often rush tasks at the last minute, which affects my performance. Although these habits help me meet deadlines, it also prevents me from fully mastering lessons. This contrast between my weakness and my ability to work under pressure shows both my challenges and my potential for improvement. That's all, and thank you.